Hey, this is Mr. Simpson. This year I'm teaching 7th grade physical science. If you need to get in touch with me, the best way is through email, and that's just simply charles.simpson@osceolaschools.net. As far as materials go, the main things would be to have about 2 to 3 spiral or composition notebooks, whichever ones you prefer, your own color pencils, and probably need your own handheld pencil sharpener as well. Other than that, the supplies that are on the list are fine. I follow the normal grading scale, and as far as my homework policy goes, as long as work is being done in class, usually we can avoid having homework, so I try to avoid that as much as possible to give students the time at home they need to kind of relax and recuperate, so that they're ready for school on a daily basis. Other than that, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me an email. I look forward to seeing everybody on the first day.